Hey guys, in this video I will discuss about BNB Binance Coin history. So let's get started the video. Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange which is the largest exchange in the world in terms of daily trading volume of cryptocurrency. It was founded in 2017 and registered on the Cayman Island. Binance was founded by Chain, a developer who had previously created high-frequency trading software. Binance was initially based in China, but later moved its headquarters out of China following the Chinese government increasing regulation of cryptocurrency. In 2021, Binance was put under investigation by both the United States Department of Justice and Internal Revenue Services of allegation of money laundering and tax offence. The UK Financial Conduct Authority ordered Binance to stop all regulatory activity in the United Kingdom in June 2021. In 2021, Binance shared client data, including names and addresses, with the Russian government. In February 2022, Binance donated $10 million of maintenance needs in Ukraine amid the 2022 Russia invasion of Ukraine. CEO Jimin, who had previously founded a fusion system in 2005, um, in Chile, the company Bullet High Frequency Trading System for stockbrokers. In 2013, he joined Blockchain.information as a third member of the cryptocurrency wallet team. He also worked at UK Coin as CTO for less than a year, a platform for spot trading between fiat and digital assets. The company was founded in China but moved its servers and headquarters out of the China and into Japan, and advice of the Chinese government ban on cryptocurrency trading in September 2017. In January 2018, it was the largest cryptocurrency exchange with the market capitalization of 1.3 billion. Little it has returned as April of 2021 deposit competition of Coinbase, among others. In March 2018, Binance announced its intentions to open an office in Malta after sector regulation in Japan and China. And April 2018, Binance signed in a memorandum of understanding with the government of Bermuda. Month later, a similar memorandum was signed with the Malta Stock Exchange to develop a platform for trading security tokens. In 2009, company announced Binance Jersey, an independent initiative entity from its parent Binance.com exchange, with the aim to expand to European influence. Jersey-based exchange offers fiat to cryptocurrency pairs, including the euro and the British pound. In August 2018, Binance, along with the three other big exchanges, raised $32 million for a stable coin project. The idea of stable coins is to provide a cryptocurrency without the associated volatility of Bitcoin and other popular digital assets. In January 2019, Binance announced that it had printed the serial-based payment processor Simplex to enable cryptocurrency purchase with debit and credit card, including Visa and MasterCard. The purchases and subject to Simplex local bank policies and are limited to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Lifetime, and Ripple XRP. On 7 May 2019, Binance revealed that it had been the victim of large-scale security breach in which hackers had stolen 7,000 Bitcoin worth around US $40 million at the time. Binance CEO Chain Zero said the hackers used a variety of techniques, including phishing, virus, and other attacks, and structured their transactions in a way that posed our existing security check. Binance halted further withdrawals and deposits but allowed trading to continue. The sites pledged to reimburse customers through the secure assets fine found further of for users withdraw remained by the 19 May. In September 2009, exchange began offering the feature concept along leverage and high as uh, 1 to 5 times the value of the contracts. In November 2019, Binance accepted Indian Bitcoin Exchange WeatherX on 21 February 2020. The Malta Financial Service Authority issued a public statement responding to media reports referring to Binance as a Malta-based cryptocurrency company. The statement noted that Binance is not authorized by the MFSA to operate in the cryptocurrencies where and therefore not subject to regulatory oversight by the MFSA. The MFSA added that it was assessing it, if Binance has any activity in Malta which may not fall within the realm of regulatory oversight. In July 2020, Binance announced a strategic partnership with the Chinese state-owned enterprise under the State-Owned Assets Supervision and Administration Commission of the State Council, and the Binance had joined a group aiming to facilitate the Belt and Road Initiative. On October 28, 2020, Forbes staff released leaked documents alleging the Bitcoin and Changing Zero created an Alberto corporate structure designed to initially deprive United States regulatory and security profit from cryptocurrency investors located in the country. Binance officially blocks access from IP addresses located in the United States, but potential customers would be thought whose every graphical transaction forwards claimed. In May 2021, it was reported that Binance was under investigation by the both the Internal Revenue Service and the United States Department of Justice on allegation of money laundering and tax offense. The February 2022, Binance took a 2000 million dollar stake in Forbes. The company has launched two cryptocurrencies which is developed itself. Binance Coin (BNB) launched in June 2017 and Binance Smart (BSC) launched September 2020. Binance Smart Chain operator using proof of stake authority, a combination of proof of stake and proof of authority. It has 21 proved validators. As of 2021, Binance Coin was the cryptocurrency with the third highest market capitalization. Binance allows its users to pay fees on its exchange with Binance Coins. In April 2021, the Federal Financial Supervisory Authority in Germany warned that the company risked fines for offering its security tracking digital token with publishing an investor prospectus.